I'm Claire Fairweather from Fairweather Estate Agents, and today I'm in the village of Sibsey in rural Lincolnshire to show you a really special property. We couldn't have picked a better day for it, so welcome to Church House. Situated along a quiet no-through road, this charming Georgian property is reached over an extensive pea gravel driveway, enjoying private, established and well-maintained gardens with open fields to the rear, a lovely walled courtyard and a kitchen garden complete with raised beds. The beautiful detached coach house requires renovation, but may have the potential to be developed into guest, office or holiday accommodation, subject naturally to the appropriate consents. Although filled with many charming Georgian period features, the owners of Church House have sympathetically refurbished it throughout in their time here, keen to make the most of the space and the natural light, creating a home that suits the lifestyle of their young family. The property is immaculately presented throughout, with 3 beautiful reception rooms used by the family, and a 4th, along with a shower room, has enabled the owner to run her business from home. Would make an ideal ground floor bedroom for an older family member, perhaps. This fabulous fully fitted kitchen is now the heart of the house and is actually less than a year old. There are 5 generous bedrooms to the first floor, as well as a new bathroom and a separate shower room. Church House is offered with no onward chain. For more information or to arrange a private viewing, then please call our team at Fairweather Estate Agents.